Good morning, student. How are you? Hopefully, you will be good. So, today I am going to teach you DLED second year of paper 8 Mathematics Unit 3. In this unit, there are 5 bullets, but today we will discuss first unit. In this unit, we have to study commutative law, associative law, and distributive law. In the first, commutative law. What is commutative law? Commutative law means change the order of number or letter is called the commutative law. That is, if a plus b is equal to b plus a, then we may be say that this is the commutative law of addition. In case of multiplication, you can write a into b is equal to b into a, means the reverse of this, ab is equal to ba. In the case of multiplication, ab is equal to ba is the commutative law. For the example, if a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, then you can write a plus b is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and b plus a is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, we may write a plus b is equal to b plus a. So, we can say that commutative law hold in addition. Similarly, in case of multiplication, we can write a into b is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6, and b into a is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. From above, it is clear that the law is hold. One important note is commutative law hold only in addition and multiplication, but this law is not hold for subtraction or division. Example, a minus b is equal to b minus a is not possible. In the same way, a by b not equal to b by a, by the basic fundamental rule of the statistics and the number theory. Next, associative law. What is associative law? In this law, you have to take 3 number or the letters. In this law, bracket is shifted and the number or letter remains same or unaltered. That is, in the addition, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c, and in the multiplication, a b c is equal to a b bracket c, means here the bracket is only shifted. In the first side or left side, bracket in the second two term, and in the right side it is in the first two term or first two letter. So in the associative law, only the bracket is shifted from term by term, that is by two term. Example, 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, because when you are taking the value of a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 5, then it will be 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. In the same way, when you are taking in the right side, then 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So the associative law hold in the addition. Similarly, in the multiplication, you can see 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 15 and into 2 is equal to 30. Right side, in the right side, 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30. So A bracket BC is equal to AB bracket into C, means associative law hold. Similarly, like the commutative law, this law is not hold for the subtraction and division. Next, distributive law. In this law, multiplying everything inside the bracket by what is outside it. Distributive means distribution. Distribution of what? Distribution of what is outside the bracket, means A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C, means A into B plus C means A into B, means multiplication is multiplied in the both term, A with B and A with C. This is called the distributive law. In case of the subtraction, A into B minus A into C, means only in the bracket whatever it is, it is addition or subtraction will be separated by the multiply outside. For example, if A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 6, C is equal to 5, then both the condition will be LHS. First of all, we taking the LHS. 2 into 6 plus 5 is equal to 2 into 11 is equal to 22, and A into B plus A into C, put the value of A 2, value of B 6, plus value of A is 2, value of C is equal to 5, then 2 into 6 is equal to 12, plus 2 into 5 10 is equal to 22. That is the distributive law hold in the addition. In case of the subtraction, you can see A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. When you are taking value of A is equal to 2, B is equal to 6 and C is equal to 5, then this case will be also hold. One question for you student: if A is equal to 6, B is equal to 12 and C is equal to 10, then verify the commutative law, associative law and distributive law. From the above formula or the law, you can verify this question, and we can also take more example from yourself only. Thank you so much.